Alabama Onsite Wastewater Board, Advanced Level L License Bond. What is the Alabama Onsite Wastewater Board? The Alabama Onsite Wastewater Board, AOWB, is a regulatory agency responsible for overseeing the installation, inspection, and maintenance of on-site wastewater treatment systems throughout the state. These systems, often referred to as septic systems, are used by homes, businesses, and other facilities that are not connected to a municipal sewer system. The AOWB sets standards and guidelines for the design, installation, and operation of these systems to ensure they function effectively and do not pose risks to public health or the environment. They also provide training and certification for professionals involved in the on-site wastewater industry. Why is the bond required? The AOWB requires licensees to obtain a bond to protect consumers and the state in case the licensee fails to fulfill their obligations. If a licensee violates state regulations or fails to complete a project according to the required standards, consumers may suffer financial losses or harm to their property. In such cases, the bond provides a source of compensation for affected parties. How does the bond work? When a licensee obtains a $30,000 bond, they enter into a contractual agreement with a surety company. The surety company agrees to pay out the bond amount to any parties harmed by the licensee's actions, up to the full bond amount. However, the licensee is ultimately responsible for repaying the surety company for any claims paid out. If a claim is filed against the bond, the surety company will investigate the claim to determine its validity. If the claim is found to be legitimate and the licensee is unable to resolve the issue, the surety company will compensate the harmed party and seek reimbursement from the licensee. To learn more, please visit swiftbonds.com.